Welcome to the 40th Annual Miss Georgia Healthcare Association pageant. 21 contestants ranging from 59 to 98 years young are participating in this year's pageant. The beautiful women involved in this celebration have a zest for life that will truly amaze you. Our contestants possess a wealth of beauty as portrayed by our current 2014 Miss Georgia Healthcare Association, Miss Mary Bell Eccles.
And you sure do make these pictures look well with all this bunch in here with you.
Thank you.
All
Glad
right.
to be here.
And what would your advice be to this year's contestants?
I was just myself, and that's all I can be. That's all I do every day.
Right.
And it's been great. I got to go a lot of places that would not have gone, and I enjoyed it all.
We just came across one of our contestants. We'd like to say hello to contestant number 3, Miss Mary Callison. How exciting is this for you?
Pretty good. I enjoy it.
Good. And have you got some family members here today?
Yes,
And who are they?
2 daughters.
Oh, terrific. And I know they've got to be very proud of you. Next in line, contestant number 18, Miss Georgia Thane. How are you this morning, ma'am?
Fine.
I've got to say, I first noticed the beautiful diamond tiara you're sporting today.
Thank you. It was custom designed.
There you go. Well, you know, that might bring you some luck.
Thank you.
Well, tell me about what this means to you to be here today.
It means a lot. It means a lot to our home. It means a lot to our people back there. And I'm just ready to do it.
Oh, they don't know how exciting it is. I wish they all could come here. Just one time.
You know, it's just like going to church, try to get it into your pew.
Now, I don't see this many people in church looking this beautiful, I've got to say. So they're treating y'all like queens today.
Right.
Queen for a day.
I am a queen for today.
There you go. We've got a diva here, ladies and gentlemen.
It is a lot of fun and a lot of work, but it's worthwhile because I think now that people are living longer,
Yes.
we need to live a lot younger.
Right. Wow, what an honor and a privilege to speak with those lovely ladies. It's very exciting here. You can feel the excitement in the room. We're moments away. The contestants are getting lined up. It's the 40th Annual Miss Georgia Healthcare Association 2015.